A new survey shows that the UAE's non-oil private sector growth lost further growth momentum at the start of Q4, with business conditions improving at the least marked pace in 2.5 years. The survey, sponsored by Emirates NBD, revealed weaker expansions in output and new orders, but the respective rates of increase were robust overall. The data, which is collected from a monthly survey of business conditions in the UAE non-oil private sector, also showed that employment rose only modestly, as did stocks of purchases. On the price front, total input costs continued to increase solidly, while charges rose only marginally amid reports of competitive pressures. Officials from the Emirates NBD stated that the October PMI data supports the bank's view that activity in the non-oil private sector of the UAE has slowed this year, with average PMI in the first 10 months of 2015 at 56.5, down from 58.1 in the same period last year. The 54 figure was indicative of slower but solid improvement in business conditions during October and was down from the 56 reading in September. The latest reading was the lowest in 2.5 years and was also below the average recorded since data collection began in August 2009. The National Bank of Abu Dhabi today launched banking operations in India to enhance the bank's ability to service corporate and financial clients across the country and provide more capital to businesses in the growing Indian market. The India branch, located in Mumbai, will provide wholesale banking services covering areas of debt origination and distribution, project finance, trade finance and asset finance. The branch will offer expert advice in each of NBAD's 5 key industrial sectors, which include energy, real estate, financial, transport, aviation and retail. NBAD has been granted a full banking license by the Reserve Bank of India. The opening of the branch comes as NBAD completed the migration of an Indian corporate loan portfolio worth around $900 million from Royal Bank of Scotland. Alex Thursby, Group CEO, NBAD, stated that setting up in India is an important milestone in NBAD's expansion across the West-East corridor and demonstrates the UAE's strengthening ties with its second largest trading partner. The size of the company, along with its rapidly growing consumer class, make India a vitally important market to our clients to NBAD. NBAD now has a presence in 18 countries around the world. Du has reported a 0.4% increase in its revenue to 3.05 billion dirhams in the third quarter of 2015 against 3.03 billion dirhams of 2014. According to the financial results released today, EBITDA rose 6.9% to 1.37 billion dirhams compared to 1.28 billion dirhams of Q3 2014. Net profit before royalty was 971.7 million dirhams, unchanged on Q3 2014, and net profit after royalty amounted to 489.8 million dirhams, a 12.3% decline on Q3 2014 due to a 16.7% rise in royalty. It also showed that the total mobile customer base stood at 7.28 million at the end of Q3 2015, down 3.2% from Q3 2014. Fixed revenue climbed 9.8% to 656.8 million dirhams compared to Q3 2014, and mobile revenue totaled 2.16 billion dirhams, a 3.3% decline on Q3 2014. Commenting on the results, Osman Sultan, Du's chief executive officer, said, "The My Number, My Identity campaign has also affected growth in our number of mobile customers, which in turn affected mobile revenue. However, fixed and mobile data revenue maintained solid growth, allowing us to keep our overall revenue in line with previous years." Trend Micro, a global leader in security software and solutions, has revealed some alarming statistics in its new annual security predictions report, the Fine Line 2016 Security Predictions. According to the report, 2016 will see a continued growth in online extortion, hacktivism and mobile malware, as well as a shift to an offensive cybersecurity posture for government entities and corporations. Highlights from the 2016 predictions reports revealed that cyber criminals will devise new ways to personalize attacks, making 2016 the year of online extortion. Mobile malware will grow to 20 million, primarily affecting China, while targeting new mobile payment options globally. Meanwhile, as more consumer-grade smart devices are used in day-to-day activities, at least one device failure will be lethal in 2016. Raymond Jean, CTO at Trend Micro, stated that governments and enterprises will begin to see the benefit of cybersecurity foresight with changes in legislation and the increasing addition of cybersecurity officers within enterprises.